Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to export your presentation and send it to your Google Drive. And not many people know that you can do this in Canva. So if you are a savvy Google Drive user and you need your presentation to be there for sharing purposes or just personal preference, you can do that with an easy click. Instead of downloading and then dropping the file in, you can do it directly through Canva. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So today I just have a template pulled up of a presentation like I have here. I have different pages. I just pulled the template from Canva just for this tutorial purposes. It's a career planner presentation. So I have this here in my Canva um, outline. And so what you're going to do when you're done designing your presentation, you're going to click share over here in the top right. And then you're going to see all of these options. You're going to see download, present, and then you'll see here the last one, which is see all with three little dots. You're going to go ahead and click that. And you will see all the way down at the bottom where it says save. In the save section, it says Google Drive. You will select Google Drive. Now, if you don't have your Google Drive connected already, the prompt will guide you to connect your Google Drive, which is basically just signing in into Google, and then you will be connected. It takes less than 30 seconds if you know your password and login information. So I'm going to select Google Drive because my account is already connected. So I will select Google Drive, and here you will see all the folders that you can save it in. So here I'm just going to save it in web design, and 1 to 10 pages, and I'm just going to select save. And then Canva is preparing it to send it to my Google Drive. And then in Google Drive, it will be there. So once it's done, I'll actually go over here and go into my Google here. And there it is. Here is my design, and I can open it. Oops. Well, this is the PDF version. And if you want the live version, you can do that here. All right, so you have it in your Google Drive and it's ready for you to edit. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any other topics that you'd like to learn, please feel free to drop them down in the comment section below.